So we're now in our last chapter of pre-calculus and foundation of math 10. So here we go. 7.1, developing systems of linear equations. A system of linear equation, often referred to as a linear system, involves two equations of a linear function. So remember, a linear function can only have one answer for x for every y with the same two variables. So now we've got two same variables in both equations. The linear function has a constant change in the dependent variable x-axis, resulting in constant change in the dependent variable y-axis. So we're going to create a linear system here. So a perimeter of a Nunavut flag is 16 feet. So a perimeter. So here we have a flag. And here we have a person that's going to walk around the flag. So they got there, and then they walk to here, and then they walk to here, and then they come back here. So they went along the length, then the width, then the length, then the width. So perimeter is equal to L plus W plus L plus W. It says the perimeter of the Nunavut flag is 16 feet. So 16 is equal to L plus W plus L plus W. I have two L's, I can put them together. So 16 is equal to 2L, and the W's can go together, plus 2W. There's one equation. Then it says its length is 2 feet longer than its width. So length is 2 feet longer than width, so L is equal to W plus 2. So there are my two equations, creating a linear system. So once you stop, you can understand how it works, and then I want you to try the next question on your own. That's fairly close to being the same. So here we have a stage of Lyle Victor Albertson in Bonnyville, Alberta, has a perimeter of 158 feet. So once again at the stage, this time we'll have a lady walk around the stage. She can walk here, which is my length, and down here my width, back here along my length, and back up here is my width. So perimeter, once again, is length plus width plus length plus width. They told me the perimeter is 158 feet. That's equal from length plus width plus length plus width. I could go by in my like terms, so 158 is equal to 2L and plus 2W. That is one system. And then it says the width of the stage is 31 feet less than the length. So length is 31 feet more than the width, so length is equal to W plus 31. And there's my other equation for my linear system. Also, when you take a look at reading a linear system or relating a linear system to a problem, so bicycle has 2 wheels and tricycle has 3 wheels. Explain the meaning of each equation. So these two equations are related to that information up top. So B is my bicycles, T is my tricycle, so there's 40. So B plus T equals 40. So that tells me that I have bicycles and tricycles there are bicycles and tricycle equal 40. So there's 40 tricycles and bicycles added together. Then it says 2B plus 3T equals 100, and they're talking about wheels. So that tells me the total number of wheels in the store on all bicycles and tricycles is 100. So that's all I have to do. So on the next page, I want you to see how you can give me information or write a word problem to tell us or write information about these two equations. So stop the tape and try it on your own, and then turn it back on to see how well you did. So a store sells wheels for roller skates in packages 4 and wheels for inline skates in packages 8. Explain the meaning of each. So once again, I would be your Inline skates, R would be your roller skates. This should be an I for inline skates and R for your roller skates. So down here, I would say there are a total of 80 roller skates, and inline skates. And up here, once again referring to wheels, so I would say the total number of wheels in the store from roller skates and inline skates. Sorry, I spelled it wrong. Skates is 440. Okay, that's it for 7.1. Take a look at your calendar to find out what assignments you have to work with, and have a good day.